Say it without swearing.
What do we have coming in today? Anything good, please?
We got quite a few IOs. We got a local YouTuber, Wisconsin Wildman, coming in for winterized.
Really?
Brandyn Stoker.
Nice. Okay,
Full day.
perfect. That'll be good.
Winterized.
Winterized.
26 degrees.
10 a.m. He's supposed to be here?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hello, hello.
Dropping off?
Yeah, just bringing in my boat to be winterized for today.
Okay. What's your name?
Brandyn Stoker.
What kind of boat and motor?
I got a 2007 Triton and then Mercury Pro XS.
I'll be right back. I'll grab Andy.
Okay.
Andy, this is Brandyn.
Brandyn, what's up, buddy?
Nice to meet you.
The Wisconsin Wildman.
Yeah.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Yeah.
Bring me your boat.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, just go do a quick run through on it and then
Yeah.
make sure everything's good.
Yeah, the main thing is just getting it winterized.
Sounds good. We can get her done.
Awesome.
Let's drop it and we'll get started now.
All right, sounds good.
Cool. Sounds good.
For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Brandyn Stoker. I run a YouTube channel called the Wisconsin Wildman. You guys can go check that out on there as well. Today, I had to bring in my Triton. I got a 2007 Triton with a 2009 Mercury Pro XS on there. Needed to have it winterized, something that I've been putting off for some time. And I've always brought my boat to Team Marine. I had a tracker in the past that I brought here, and they always get things done in a timely fashion. And it always gets done right. So I knew this was the place that I was definitely gonna be bringing my boat, and that's what we were doing here today.
This would be Brandon's, the Wisconsin Wildman's Triton. I believe 210? Is this what we got here? This is a TR 210, 21 footer with a 250 Pro XS on it.
What are we doing with that?
Winterized, mainly winterized. Check it over, make sure. Just do a quick run through on it. Brand new to him. Making sure that everything's up and functional and what's going on.
What do you got there?
Fuel filter with the BST. This is original. Get it changed for him. Underneath here, I just cut your water pressure line. There's a T-in line, there's a splice-in line now, so you don't freeze it over the winter. It's already got a nipple on it for you.
Okay.
And then the other one's up here, you'll see it. Just plug them back together
Okay.
in the spring. When you'll forget, you're gonna forget, because everybody does.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna take it for a run. This is gonna hit you right in the crotch. That way you're gonna get all nice and wet right in there. That's why we do it. So, but I cut it so you're gonna get all wet if you forget. But yeah, everybody forgets. Yeah, and then you're gonna get all wet. It's gonna be really cold because you're gonna go when it's cold.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so we'll just plug it back in. That's all you gotta do is reach up.
Okay.
That's so that doesn't freeze. You're not buying water to get you
Gotcha.
spring. Pickup's good. Pretty much normal water leaks that are on Opti Pro XS. Nothing serious. I'm gonna change out his fuel filter here because I don't think it's been changed in quite some time. It's the old original dark red or light red. So we're gonna get that out of there for him. Yeah, it's not good.
Not good shape?
Clean, good, dirty. Pretty normal, but you can see the color difference. That's why you know.
What are your thoughts, Brandyn?
Yeah, he knows a lot more than I do. I don't know anything about this stuff, so that's why I always bring it here. I brought my tracker here before. I can't remember what had happened to that, but it was like some fluke deal. But yeah, so obviously that filter needed to be changed. So that's dirty. Essentially, the engine itself is winterized.
gravity drain, so it's all just gonna drain out. That's what it's designed for. Take the prop off, make sure there's nothing there.
I like the water in there. That was pretty loose.
Yeah.
It's just dirty. Just dirty oil. You mean, yeah, it needed to be changed for sure. Filter's been changed, get your gear oil changed. Don't do spark plugs until they start to run like cool at idle.
Okay.
Bingo! Alright, we're back. Popular demand, of course. Yeah, today Wisconsin Wildman stopped in. His Triton right behind me. It was basically a winterized, got it all taken care of for him. Figured out that definitely has some contamination. Inside of the gear case was nice and dirty, yucky. Changed out the fuel filter for him. I went over a little bit of things that we do. Made sure that he does acknowledge the fact that the water pressure gauge is unhooked and it will pee on his crotch in the spring. It'll be real cold. Yeah, so our fans, what I want you to do is go over to his Instagram and follow him at Wisconsin Wildman. Then go subscribe to his YouTube page, Wisconsin Wildman. Make sure you're just watching his stuff on YouTube, and then check out his vlogs on Instagram and everything else that he's doing over here, there, everywhere. He's got good hunting stuff, good bass videos, good fishing videos. Make sure you get over there, comment on his stuff, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you do it for Team Marine. Stay tuned for the next episode.
And as always,
Comment, subscribe
And click the notification bell.
to witness the madness we call
speed, money, and no brakes.
Still a lot of smoke right here. Are you seeing smoke? Maybe it's just my eyes. Maybe it's just me used to being around Sam all the time.